Hi guys, today we learn how to change the port number of Jenkins. The default port is 8080. We learn how to change the port number. First I'll go to my terminal. I'll give a command vi /etc /sysconfig /Jenkins. Give a / and search for 8080. You see over here Jenkins port. I want to change this port. Give an I mode, insert mode. You can change to any number. I'll give it to 8000. Click escape, shift colon, WQ bang. Just restart your Jenkins. Systemctl restart Jenkins. I'll try checking this. I'm changing a port number over here to 8000. You see, the port is changed over here and the Jenkins is getting restarted. And I'm using this terminal in centos. If you're using it in Ubuntu, the command is vi /etc /default/Jenkins. And I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you.